Hi guys, welcome to shop-rjpasini.com. Today I want to talk in this video about the web hosting I use, the web software I use to create my website, and talk to you about how to do some photo retouch-ups and add captions to your pictures. That's coming up. Okay guys, let's get to it. First I want to talk to you about the software I use. For my web software, for my website, I use a program called Serif Web Plus X5. You could get that software very cheap, inexpensive if you shop around. I purchased mine from Walmart and I paid a total $8.99 with free shipping. However, Amazon sells the same program for $14 with 14 and change, well, with free shipping. So you got to do your shopping around with that. And in regards to the hosting I use, it's a 3iX. I'm going to clip out of here right now and I'm going to go into those windows and show you what I got going on here. Here you see I have, this is a Serif Web Plus X5. This is what I use to create my my website. I like it. It's no HTML required, so you don't have to be a computer programmer to use it. They also have a video here where you could check it out too. As a matter of fact, we could do the demo video right now and I'll show you what it's all about. Let's go.
Introducing Web Plus X5, professional quality websites made easy. Web Plus X5 is the complete business website designer that makes it easy for anyone to get a professional and fully featured website online. Customize impressive template websites or design from scratch. Easily add your own photos, videos, business branding, secure e-commerce and interactive web gadgets like maps, forums and online booking. With all that and hosting, ready-made web graphics, design and photo editing tools, site optimization and much more built in, Web Plus X5 is the only tool you'll need to create a fantastic impression, engage with your site visitors and make money online. Let's see just how easy it is to get a great looking site online. Start from scratch or choose a professionally designed template with your choice of color scheme. Click and type to add your own headings and text and just drag and drop wherever you want to add your own photos. Add a slideshow or gallery really easily, even use them as attractive animated banners. Also link slideshows to a Flickr account so they automatically update with new images. Stream YouTube videos or embed your own with just a couple of clicks. Pages you change or add are automatically picked up by the smart navbars, which you can fully customize if you want to. Hosting is included for free to make it easy to get online, and when you publish your site or preview in any browser, you'll see it looks exactly as you designed it, with no programming or previous design experience required. Web Plus X5 is ideal for promoting your business and building communities. Make money online with a reliable, trusted and secure e-commerce store. It's easy to add products with step-by-step wizards for PayPal, Malls and Roman Cart, featuring buy now buttons, full cart, subscriptions and donations. Perfect your photos and remove backgrounds with a unique cutout studio to make your products look their very best. Put your business on the map, literally, with an interactive Google map that can now also go straight to Street View. Encourage discussions and communities with forums and blogs, made easy so you don't have to sign up for any special services. And as you'll want your site to be its very best, there's a site checker and optimizer, Google Analytics and built-in search engine optimization to help improve your search rankings. There's plenty more to help your business too. Take online bookings with email confirmations, build a mailing list, password protect pages, and use forms to gather valuable information. There's always a helping hand available so you can add all the features you want. You can use tooltips and handy status bar hints, on-screen how-to guides, auto-alignment, customizable workspace and shortcuts, plus lots of tutorials, videos and a full help system. You can design and experiment with ease, changes can be previewed and won't go live until you publish. Serif Web Plus X5 is everything you need for professional websites made easy.
Okay guys, there you have it. Like I said, this is I've been using this software and I'm very happy with it. I have no complaints with it so far. It's been good for me. It works. Again, you could pick this software up at through Walmart's website. And again, you'll see what I'm talking about. When they say free, and when I told this in my other videos that I paid $8.99 for it with free shipping. Here it is. All right. Now, if I was going to check out, this is what it comes to. I mean, you can't beat this. I mean, it's an inexpensive program, but it works. You know, and I have it opened up now. I just want to show you, but this is what the price of it is. You can see it is free shipping. Amazon sells the same thing. Okay. $14 and change plus and free shipping. But if you could save yourself some money if you want to do it, you know, through Walmart, of course. That's why you got to shop around. You know, everyone says, "Oh, you get good deals off Amazon." Yes and no. You know, it works both ways. But this is what I paid back in the day when I bought mine. That's what I paid. I remember paying it, and I did a video about this a long time ago about what I use. This is just an update for people that are trying to get into websites and you want to build one or whatever. You might want to consider getting WebPlus X5. Now, apparently, they do have newer versions. Now, I didn't get a chance to check out all the stuff that they have to offer, such as in the video, but I do use the basic stuff in here. This is I'm going to click this on really quick and show you. This is what mine looks like when you click it on. I have 45%. To me, it is very user-friendly. I think so anyway. And you can, you know, add things, take things out. Now, some of the features, however, because this is an older program, might not work with certain things. Now, for example, I have this here. This is a Flash thing here, Flash program. And when you preview it, when you do the site preview, let's see if I could do this here. Bear with me for 1 minute, folks. The preview. Sometimes it may show up over here. Now, I was playing around with this, changing it around. Let's see what happens here. So for some reason, it doesn't. This part here doesn't always work here. As you can see, I have to work on it there. I might have done something to it too. You know, I might have messed up on that part, but it does. It was working at one point. But when you do go to the actual website, the video will come on here. Okay, I'm in right now. The reason why it's not showing up is because I'm in the design mode. Let's go back to. Let's close the preview. Okay, and this is what it'd be like here. When you click it on, you will hear my intro. Okay, so when you click on this here and you go to the site, well, for example, we'll just open up another window and we will go to RJ Pasini. Like I said, I'm still working on it. So I'm learning as I go along. And when you come on to it, you will see the intro video should pop up.
The items I'm selling,
right below here,
whether it be damaged or
now here,
flaws
this is
in
what I
it,
was
whatever
talking
it may
about. This
be.
is a Flash. Now
But
I don't know
I
if there's a
want you guys
problem
to
with
know
the Flash
that,
on my
you know,
computer,
I take
or
my
if it's
time, I
not
take a lot of time
working
to do
on
these
this
videos.
because it is an older program.
You know,
That I'm not
they,
sure of.
They're not the top.
But
rated
anyway,
videos,
like I said again, if you're looking for a software package, you might want to consider this here to build. It's pretty good. You've seen the video. It's pretty user friendly, like I said earlier, and you can move things around and you know, do things relatively easy. I think so anyway. I'm not no professional web designer, but considering, you know, at least I'm putting it out there, I have something to work with now. I'm sure there might be free web software, you know, free website software out there, but you know, you might have limitation with this one. This one here, you do have a lot, and what I like about it, it does have videos on here getting started, and you know, it's a cut and dry program. I like it, very basic, and to me, it does the job. The other thing is, in regards to this here, is the website I use to host my website hosting. I use this company called 3ix. Again, for those who know me, I'm very frugal. I try to do things basically on a very limited budget, which I am on a limited budget. This one here, I'm on the Excite program here. That's the one I have, the service I use. You get 40 gigabytes, but to me is more enough. Bandwidth, this is for the web space, and bandwidth you get 100 gigabytes, and the pop email you get 50, I believe it counts. $1 a month, that's just for the hosting. Okay, if you're going to go with the domain name registration, I believe that is here, right over here, it's $14.99. So you figure between the two, the $14.99 and the $12 to host it, it's relatively cheap for the year. And you could also do, they have a live chat if you want to talk to the person like that. you know, about setting it up. It's very inexpensive and cheap to do. So you might want to check into this. It's 3ix. I like it. I had no problem with the service. To me, it works pretty good. And again, they do have different things if you want to go into. If you're a person that needs 150 gigabytes, let's say you have a big site, you can get one over $3 a month. Then it goes, the most expensive one is the Extreme, which is $8 a month. Again, relatively cheap. You get 700 gigabytes of space, unlimited bandwidth. Okay, this one here for $5 you get unlimited, and one for $3. However, I don't get unlimited bandwidth. Okay, with the service I chose. But and again, in regards to payments, they do use these these payment options here: Visa, Mastercard, Discover, PayPal, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. I like them. Like I said, I had no problem with them. Now, in regards to getting at us here, going to if you're curious about how to do websites or add photos to your pitches, I use a program called Microsoft Picture It, and when it comes up like this here. You'll always get the show at startup. It's a tour. It'll talk to you about certain things, the effect, applying special effects, create projects, and so on. This window will come up, and you could always disable if you don't want to keep seeing this, but just unchecking this here. For those who use it, it's called Microsoft Picture It Photo 7.0. That's what I'm using right now. I just want to show you, and then you get over here. There's another one here that'll have it over here open, import from your camera. You can scan it and so on and so forth. This program here too is probably outdated as well, but it works. I don't know if you probably could still get copies of it off of eBay if you need be, if you want to try it out. What I'm going to do in here is show you really quick what I did and how I could add photos and little photo captions to my listings if I'm going to put stuff on eBay. Now I did one with the clothing. Let's see over here. Okay, what I did was I picked out one. I already had done this already, so I'm just trying to show you how easy it is. Here it is down here below, but I'm going to start again fresh and just show you what I did and how I did it. I'm going to pick this jacket out here, and I could add something to it. Very simplified, easy to do, and you can embed it, and it's not bad if you want to add some information to it, rather than just having it look like a plain picture. What you would do is go over here, and where they have these things here, you can insert, line, whatever. We're going to put a text box in here, and where the text box is right over here. Now, give me 1 second. Here it is. You would click this on, and it says insert text. Now you have your text window here. Okay. I always wonder, like, people doing it, because sometimes I see people putting pictures in there, and they put like little icons and photos within a photo. And I always wonder, like, hey, how can what do they do to, how they're doing this here? So I figured, look, let me check it out. I want to play around with it. There's a will, there's a way. So, for example, let's say this jacket here is called Paint, right? So we type in a Paint by Victoria's Secret, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm just doing this as an example. Victoria's Secret here. All right. And then we just do like this here, like that. Okay. So now I have this little text here, and I can move it anywhere I want. So I could put it over here. I could put it to the side. All right. I could leave it over here if I want. I could make it bold. I could change the color around. I could do whatever I need to do with it. I could do it. I could underline it. I could also change the color. If I don't like that color, to black, I could change it around to a different color here, and I go to the color palette here, and I can make this red. So now people can see it and see, they see a red one here. If I want to add a picture in there, and I want to, make it a little, give them a show. Like, in other words, I could probably move this all the way over here and wind this up here like this. Let's see here. Well, no, actually, I don't want to do that part. I'm sorry, folks. Let me just show you really quick, though, because I don't want this to go too long. So I'm going to open it up again, and I'm going to take, let's say, this photo. These ain't the greatest photos because I usually crop them and stuff like that. So, but I'm using this just for demo purposes here. And what I could do is now, let's see if I can get this here. Now, the last time I did it, it worked. I don't know if I'll be able to do it now. Bear with me for 1 second, folks. All right, let's see if I could do this here. I'm just trying to crop it down a little here. Whoops. like that. And let's copy it. Now I'm going to open this window up over here. Let's see if this will work now. Okay. Let's put that there and let's paste here. Okay, so now I got this photo here. Okay. Of course, I would do a lot better than this. This is just for, just demo purposes. Now, I have my photo here. I could show it if I took it or turned it around. I could add another photo here, copy and paste it, and then, upload it to, like I said, if I'm going to upload it to YouTube, not YouTube, well, I could even put it on my webpage too, as well. But let's say I want to save this and I want to add to my eBay listing. So what I would do is, I have a lot of things here with it, with dates on them. So right now the default one is for 1/4/2018. I'm going to change the name to it and just say new photo 2 because I did already new photo. So I'm going to say new photo 2. This again, just for demo purposes. So I'm going to save it. Okay. And it says you want to save it as a PNG. Yeah, you could do it as a PNG as well. PNGs are good. So when I go over here, let's see something here now. All right, let me bump out of it. Oh yeah, I didn't save it yet. I'm sorry. I'm working ahead of myself. There we go again. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my eBay listing. Okay, let's get out of this. You see I have the window open up. I only have it opened up because, like I said, I want to save time and trouble. I don't want to take too much of your time, guys. So when I go to, of course you're going to revise your listing. You know how to do that. When you go to your add photos, I'm going to go to the one I put it in. All right, and I'm going to look for it, of course. And hopefully it'll be there. I hope. There it is. I was getting a little nervous. I was like, oh no, I'm doing a live video here and it's not working. And I would click it on here and hopefully it'll load it up. I believe. There it goes right there. Okay. And now when you click it on, you got this photo. And this is what it looks lodged. Okay. Let's get that out of there. Let's see if we click it again here. And that's what it looks when it, how it is look. It looks when it's lodged. For some reason, I think because I lowered the video, the aspect rate, the picture frame rate, whatever, this would be normally bigger. But you can see over here, I'm not going to leave this. I'm going to take it out. You can see it says over there, Paint by Victoria's Secret, and I added that picture in there. Okay, so I'm going to remove it right now because I don't need that. I don't like the way that came out per se. I would do it a lot better than that. But you can add little photo captions to your pictures and stuff like that. You could also do it with another program. Again, cheap. It comes with Microsoft. I'm using Windows 10, and this is Microsoft Paint. If you're going to do any banner ads, or you're going to do like little when you brand your own little names on there, whatever, you could do the same thing. Here, I did the same exact thing. I did the photo caption here with the wording, and I did it through Microsoft Paint. So if you guys want to try to do things of that nature and save money on doing it, you don't have to go crazy doing all that, buying all that fancy stuff. I know Photoshop, Adobe, the Adobe Photoshop is kind of somewhat pricey, I guess, and I know they have plans where you can actually to use their software. You have a monthly plan for it. The stuff I use is I bought Microsoft Picture It back in the day. I believe it is an older program. I think it came out around 2002, 2001, 2002. But it works, folks. I mean, it works. You can see it actually works. And the software for Web Plus, the company I use for Serif Web Plus X5, good software to use if you want to do basic website design. You don't have to worry about watermarks on it. And limited features, so you could use that as well. But if you like I said, if you like this video and you got anything out of it, if it's helped you out in any way, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys as a subscriber. And if you like what I do with them, give them a thumbs up, please. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I just wanted to share this with you. I thought about it because I'm working on my website right now, trying to make changes to it. And I figure, what? I make these videos to try to help people out. I give my insight on certain topics and things, and if it could be of help to you, in any way, I would, I appreciate it if you want to, say, hey, Rich, I like the video you did. It helped out, and like I said, I do these videos to help people out in the best I can. I also do the reseller news. I do sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos to the items I put up on eBay. And for those who are curious as to why I do those videos, it's to help you, the potential buyers out there. Gives you an insight, a little overview to meet me. You know who you're dealing with as far as the seller. And I also like to describe and talk about the items I sell. I let you know the condition of the item, or whether it works, or it's faulty, or it's got damages, things, dents and scratches, whatever on it. And it's to, just to assure you that the items you're buying from me are as described. If by any chance I miss something, and when I do my intro videos or sneak peek videos, I apologize for that there, because I try to be very thorough on the listings I do. When I do my listings, I always keep that item or object next to me and look it over before I actually do the description. In lieu of the video, I figure one will help me out. If I forget something in the description, hopefully the video will help me out. But if you don't watch the video, it's not going to help me out anyway. So, but it's like a double-bladed sword there, so to speak. I can't do both, do the video and the description at the same time. So I got to do one or the other. And sometimes in some cases, there might be an oversight in something. I might miss something, and it's not done intentionally, of course. But I am an honest seller, and I do try to do my best to get the information out to you guys the best I can. Also, I just want to say in closing this video, you're going to see a little thing about what's going on with YouTube. If you want to read it, it's just a little wording there at the end of this video about needing 1,000 subscribers to be monetized. If you guys could help out in any way, that'd be great. But if you'll be seeing that probably in my going forward in my videos. So if you guys could help out in any way, that'd be great. I know some of the content I put out might not be up to 100% par what you guys are looking for, but I would encourage you to please subscribe to my channel. Not only so much for the monetization. I mean, I do want to be able to do that. They would like to still have that, because the way they have it's either you have that 4,000 hours of view time, for viewing, or 1,000 subscribers. I'm way off from that there. If I can get 1,000 subscribers, that'd be great. It would also help me out with as far as the monetization. And not only that, by me doing this here, it gives me opportunity to create more better videos and give better content out there to you guys. So if you want to read that disclosure or whatever, that little ending there for YouTube, I appreciate it. It'll be at the end of this video. But thanks again. Listen, I wish you guys have a great day today, and enjoy it. I mean, I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm gonna be plugging away at my YouTube channel here, and try to put out some great content for you guys. And hopefully, going forward, there'll be better things to talk about as well. But I'll talk to you in the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye now.